So, pet rent and deposit. We kind of talked about this. People love their dogs and cats and their pets. Okay, so pet fees, we actually have two ways of making money here: pet deposit and pet rent. So, with our pet deposit, all of our pet deposits are non refundable. Now, this is up to you. Your policy can be refundable, non refundable, completely up to you. But right now, we choose non refundable because if people have pets, for some reason, there's always going to be something else that gets damaged that we want additional money, like towards a security deposit, that is going to fix the property up. So, pet deposits, again, the deposits, somewhere between $200 to $400 per pet deposit. And so if there's two dogs, then that's two times the pet deposit. And those are non-refundable. Likewise, if they have pets, they pay pet rent. So it's an additional rent each month that you collect on top of the normal rent for the property that you charge. So, and again, that could be, say, $20 to $40 per pet per month. So those are additional fees for people, and this is if you allow pets. If you live in a property or some other thing and you just don't allow pets, then this does not even apply to you. But if you do, this is an easy way of making money. If people want to move in and they like your place, they will pay you the deposit and this pet rent because they want to live with their pets, and people will pay for their pets.